If you are someone that's been waiting to start on social media, the best place to start is actually on Instagram. Instagram is the most engaging platform of all the platforms. People are always on there. People come from different sides of the world, and everyone is connected in one place. Every person is on the platform for their own reasons. You, the viewer that's watching this, have clicked on this video because obviously you're interested in trying to become profitable online with this application. On the thumbnail, there was a picture of a logo of YouTube and Instagram combined on this thumbnail. So the question is, how does one become profitable online using Instagram and YouTube? The question is simple. What are you hoping to gain? What is the main focus? This is not for you if you're obviously someone that's just trying to be casual on the platforms. This is obviously for a person that wants to become profitable online. Now, Instagram compared to all the other platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, not just Upwork and Fiverr, but Facebook and TikTok and all other platforms. That's a very different application itself. Personally, from my experience, I've used all other platforms. TikTok, I've used Facebook, I've used LinkedIn, and respectively, nothing even comes close to Instagram. Instagram's audience is very engaged. Instagram's audience is so quick to make moves, and anyone that is looking to sell a service, to sell a product, that's definitely a place where people will buy from you right now, in this moment today. Obviously, you're not just gonna sell to anyone. You're gonna sell your product or your service to your follower base, to your loyal follower base. So that's where we're gonna start today. You are going to start building a loyal following base, an audience, a fan base. How? The way that you're going to build this audience, starting from zero. If you're not on zero, it's going to be more easier. But start from the beginning, in the beginner's book. You're going to start posting daily and engaging with other people's content. That's the way how you're going to build a loyal fan base. You have to be consistent, and you have to be persistent, and you have to be intentional with what you're doing. Obviously, as time progresses, it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time. It might take a year. It might take 2 years. It depends on the work that you are putting in. If you're one that's looking for a shortcut, if you're one that's looking for an easy way, unfortunately, this is not the way. This way is for someone that's going to show up every day and provide value consistently. Why should people give you money? Because you have to provide value to the people. Someone won't just send you money for no reason. There has to be a reason why it's sending you money. How are they going to send you money? They'll send you money when they know, like, and trust you. When trust has been formed, and that happens over time. It could be a couple of months, it could be a year. It depends on how consistent and persistent you are as a creator. You're signing up to be a creator. If you are a creator, you know already what it takes. You have to provide value. People don't care about you. They only care about what you can do for them or what you can offer them. People are very self-invested. So you have to constantly show up every day and cater to their wants and needs. Provide value that targets your ICP, your ideal customer client profile. You make content around your niche. Your niche is your field of expertise, which you are going to make content around You can pick any specific sales, marketing, it doesn't matter. That's where I am. But sales and marketing is a vast field. Everybody knows about sales and marketing. You could teach people about content creation as well if you know how to design videos and content. Maybe you're good at creating flyers, thumbnails. Doesn't matter what you're good at. You teach, you give value, you give people advice, and that's how people are going to start engaging with your content, and that's how they're going to start following you because they see value in what you're putting out. That's how you're going to build a fan base. By providing value consistently and persistently. Now, you're obviously going to need good quality tools, softwares that you're going to use. ChatGPT is fine in the beginning. When you're writing a lot of posts or you're writing your content pieces, ChatGPT is fine to start with. Canva is a good place to start with editing your videos, editing your content, InShot as well. These softwares is going to help you to make your content more appealing to people, more interesting and more enticing, that they want to stick around and that you don't just go pause. That's how you're going to gain people's trust and win them over. You have to, which is important, learn from people that's also in your field in which you are doing your business, your content creation. You have to learn from people that are ahead of you in that field. Whether it's content creation, whether you're freelance or whether you're designer, you have to follow the people that are ahead of you and learn from them. And then you can separate your strengths and your weaknesses, learn from other people's strengths, and combine it with your strengths. And then eventually you improve yourself, you improve your content, and you improve your methodology. And then you'll see you'll begin to progress slowly but surely. And also, don't think far ahead, think one step at a time, one day at a time. The problem is we worry about next week, next month, tomorrow, and today we haven't sorted that out first. So first focus on right now in the present moment today, and then tomorrow you can focus on the next day. When you get there, the next week you can focus there when you get there. But it's good to plan ahead. That's where systems comes in. So you have to put certain milestones in place. You have to have goals. You have to put systems in place to achieve that goals. It's really important. You have to learn from your mistakes, because you're gonna make mistakes. Because success isn't linear. It isn't a straight road. There's gonna come ups and downs, meaning you're not gonna feel every day the same. Some days you're gonna wake up, you're not gonna feel like following the program. You're not gonna feel like doing what you're supposed to do. So that's where systems come in. Systems are gonna make sure that everything's gonna go according to plans. But when you do feel like you're gonna fall off, there's something that's gonna keep you upright. Like for instance, maybe you're sleeping, and then maybe you don't feel like waking up on time, but then you put your alarm on, and your alarm is gonna help you jump up. That's a system. So in that way, you make sure that you don't miss a beat. That's the only way to win. The only way to win is to make sure that you put things in place so you can get there. That's very important. You have to put systems in place. Lastly, you have to make sure you're in it for the right reasons. If you are a freelancer, if you are a designer, if you are a business owner, you have to make sure that you're catering to the right audience. What are you hoping to gain? How long are you willing to put the work in? Maybe you're saying to yourself, it's going to take 5 months, it could probably take a year. Maybe you're saying it's going to take a year, then it could probably take 2. You have to be in it for the long haul. You have to stay the course, please. This is very important. You have to stay the course. Don't start and stop. Don't start and stop. Don't start and stop. Don't start one thing and then go to the next one. Don't start one thing and you feel like it's failing and you jump to the next one. Stay the course. Keep on going in that direction. Make sure that you're in it for the right reasons, not just for the money. You can make money, but think about providing value to the people. First you provide value, then you gain trust and authority, and then people will give you money when they know, like, and trust you. So money is a byproduct of what you're doing right. The money will come eventually, but focus on building the value. Focus on providing value and building authority in your niche of expertise. That's how you win people over. They're going to say, I like this guy. He's consistent, he's persistent, and he's providing value to me. I'm going to press the follow button. I'm going to like his stuff. I'm going to engage with his content. I'm going to follow him. I'm going to buy his products. I'm going to buy his merchandise. That's how you win people over, because you stick around long enough to get people's trust and to win them over. That's how you win in this game.